Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at LandingAI. LandingAI offers a feature to deploy LandingLens models using Docker, enabling DevOps users to manage model inference programmatically. Deploying models with Docker is intended for developers familiar with Docker and programming languages. If that's not you, that's okay. LandingLens offers many other deployment options. Before you can deploy with Docker, there are a few requirements, such as having Python and Docker Engine already installed. Furthermore, ensure you have your license key, API key, and model ID. When you're ready to use Docker to deploy models, launch an instance by running this command. Remember to replace the placeholders with your license key, API key, and model ID. Now you can move on to running inference with the LandingAI Python SDK. Visit the LandingAI Support Center and community for more information.